Nipa gunle namdole shing yenden gunge genbambo simchen gunge nyen chikpo tamje kenla gunjanse omen chege yenge podane dusum sange gunge ngo rasim chego ngosuma denjebe Zaiwe lame shabla so wande dambichu nyamsu lembi kunu sampo ngejungi samba dang janshibki sim salta pekoni dambichu sembrashu
The excellent motivation that is needed when practicing the precious sublime Dharma consists of the mind of renunciation and the mind of bodhicitta, the mind of awakening. So, having those two in mind, please listen to the following.
nangansu lamgi rimba teni tawa gomba chopasum de kola shubi kabre na de nani kasang ani taweki shila todo chepi chusul de teni nangba sem tongba tang teni tongba sungjuk seni tende sitten la wabe kwani tate tawa di teni todo choku gore seni tate kasang shusimbare tateni diringni mala ta dine mala zo di tende kin tawa di gombe ani nyamsu lensulam 균 경술대 간데스 경고그래스는 다 된저 걸라더니 림파시도 쉐인스
Currently we're discussing the path, the stages of the path. And when we discuss the stages of the path, we can talk about the view, meditation, and conduct. And out of these three, we're currently talking about the view. Or in previous teachings, we have talked about the view. When it comes to the view, the very basis of the view is concerned with eliminating and clearing away doubts, exaggerations, conceptual elaborations. And in order to do this, the way in which we cut through these doubts is by the 3 steps that we've talked about before that are necessary when we're coming to terms with the view, and that being recognizing all appearances to be the mind, recognize that the mind is itself emptiness, and that appearance and emptiness are indivisible, undividable. And so that's how we come to terms and establish the view. And so we've talked about how it's the view, it's by establishing this view that we cut through all of our doubts. So we've discussed that, we've already talked about that at great length, right? So today, what are we going to talk about? It's having attained or having ascertained, come to certainty about what the view is. How is it that we actually meditate? What is the way in which, the means in which we meditate? And by meditate, I mean, how do we sustain that view? What is it that we need to do in order to sustain that
dam gombe nyamsu len sedi sowodi tawe ta jesha bigi tondati teni susuki yang do tengwa jig maimba lendang mangbe kone teni semla gomji je bigi teni gyurem dabu teni chila teni namgyu gombe nyamsu len seni segere.
In this context, what do we mean by meditation? What do we mean by practicing meditation? Mainly, it is having decided the view, having ascertained the view, we need to repeat that. Yeah, it won't work that if we just think about the view or come to terms or ascertain the view once, but we need to repeatedly remind ourselves of the view. And it's by doing this many times over and over that we are familiarized with the view. This word familiarization can be a translation of the word gom, yeah. So the mind becomes familiar with the view. And this is what we mean by, in this context, practice.
한가조 타와디 고웨 타와 점직 여바이나 양 람산 직드니 셀보드니 용고요 말에 데인디드니 고와 점지 여비기다 타와디 드니 고미용데 갑슬라 림바신도드니 misalwati salwatang makepatin gebatang yongsu mazokwati yongsu tsokwa sanitini gomgin la rimbashin dini salgin zoksum jikoni dini gongbel doni ta thatu debugum hojala chatu gore.
Currently, when it comes to the view, we, for the most part, have a conceptual understanding of what the view is. That's what we're working with currently. And when we begin with this conceptual understanding of the view, immediately we won't understand the view through an experiential way or even a ultimate kind of realization way. We understand it on a conceptual level. But when we meditate on the view using this conceptual understanding, gradually, step by step, and progression, what wasn't clear will become more clear. What aspects seem narrow now will become more vast, and it will become what is not absolutely complete within the view. Maybe there's some parts missing. That'll become complete, right? That'll become perfected. So these three qualities of clarity, vastness, and perfection, these all will progress gradually as we actually meditate, as we actually become familiar with the view. And then ultimately will result in the ultimate result, which is the full realization of the view.
다지당한수 곰 용두 곰당기 림발라다 망보 요래 베나 ngaransu namdo dawaji sha yunggoyana teni namdo sangboredo namdo ngembaredo sini ngwezimbe toni teni 상보이나 가와 고메당 남도 녜바이나 녜바인 방어시니만 참조제 대양 고 곰기 림바지레 데네양 남도 샤용도 람상 남도 코랑기 ngol 때니 되니 라신 마투발라 소파 딘데 고메토니 야 짐바도에당 되니 가브리엘라다 남도 가리 셔기요나 대가랑 베제땅니 남도 대가랑 믹딘데 체네드니 고메라 소바다 딘데 간사 수수수수기 곰갸용베 값을 왕버림바 민다민다바 여바인디 딘데게다 곰당 산지게 답 망보치 순가래 이내양다 단당아주 가수바바다 디 조디드니 코랑 곰데 뚜메기 균경당데 조다오지 송샤야레 단다텔라
When we're practicing, when we're meditating on the view, there's a lot of ways in which we can go about doing that. There's a lot of methods that we can utilize as we progress along the path in our meditation practice. For example, when it comes to the arising of thoughts during our practice, there are different means and methods in which to approach or to come to terms or to deal, say, with those arising thoughts. For example, we can approach the thoughts as being either positive or negative, right? Those arising thoughts. For example, if we recognize that an arising thought is particularly positive or good, to say the least, we can generate some kind of joy in having that kind of thought. If it's particularly negative or a bad thought, then we recognize that and we do what we can to break that thought, break the continuity of that. Otherwise, we can look directly into the essence of what that thought is. When we recognize the essence of that, we recognize that it's essentially empty. It has no true solid nature. And in that way, we could say we avert, or we the clinging to that thought is dispelled. Alternatively, we can say if a thought arises, we can use that as the practice. We can use that as our focus. We can use whatever is arising directly as the focus. So there's many ways in which we can apply these methods during meditation. Essentially, they come down to the particular interests and the capacities of the individual doing the meditation. So the Buddha taught extensively on all these different methods in order to have them be beneficial to anyone, right? Whatever they find helpful to use those methods. Particularly now, we will talk about meditation in a more unelaborated way or more simple way.
Teni tanda takasu papa gomdinju 균경 tanka gomde mancheba tini macho rangbap sini ta zo tinrei koni tini namdo gare shar yong bai ne ya tela tini sangengki redok zimbakaya mashu wacheni ane mangjo rangbap su shabe koni 균경 wa tela ta tanda kasu pabe ki tini gyongsu di zo sung bare.
So now in this context, when we're going to focus on a meditation method which can be summarized as um, you could say, resting naturally as it is. And so what do I mean by that? For example, if thoughts arise in during the meditation, rather than hold to them being either good or bad, or having any kind of hopes and fears, hesitations towards any of those arising thoughts, rather than trying to get rid of them, one just rests naturally in the midst of that. And so this is the way in which we sustain the view in the context of this unelaborated or simple meditation.
leche solvi komge male jing tamal duzi lungi magyo par majö nyongma rangbab joshebe semden nyamlun keshin yongwar sho sungwa da dela dini mazu kombe gyun gyongsol dila dor temba tang gebar shebas ni kudwa tangbo dor temba deje dini rimba shindo da chidang chachenge kapsula dini namdrang chidang drabu dila shine dang lakdong sini dati chachenge shine dang lakdong namba ni sini ni koni dini gyun gyong kuwa re.
So in the Mahamudra aspiration prayer, the 15th verse talks about this and states, unspoiled by deliberate conceptual meditation, unmoved by the wind of ordinary busyness, may we skillfully sustain the essential practice of mind that knows how to rest naturally in the uncontrived innate state. So this is a verse which talks about how we sustain the view, how we practice the meditation part. This is the brief explanation of it, and later will come more elaborate explanations of how to sustain the view in this particular context of Mahamudra. Mahamudra has, we could say, it divides meditation in between calm abiding shamatha and clear insight vipassana. So we'll see that elaborated further.
Dan dordina tatandati nganzu ta susu chula juk teni lama tende chite lame kumdeni da tamwa tende shu tani da gechimbo chigdi da tongmar di kariche ko resana teni nganzu 착바 동말 수수기 김다 단인 노르세다 니고라서 발에 셴바데티니 방국어레 송바레 델랑아란조티니 두지세그와 타말베긴 두지세도 서마제 노롱제 체도 두세 망보 땅데 바에는데 아주 검갸베긴 두세라고 말해 드니 셈 두지세난다 즉 셈게 나라 다니에 망보 지텐데 아니 다툴레 당 닌경에 당 덴데게 삼로 망보지 콜테 바이나 드니 셈바데 검이하고 지용금에 봐야 다 정말 검기 원조다고 술들라 드니 타말비 직된비긴 düzeki 룽기 드니 마교바 웬비긴 네술라 드니 데니 직된라 착바디바 방국어래 했으니 대송바래 세강 니바디가 땡겨도 와디 디 착바디 마바는 아주 검 고쭉 두고요 말이라 착바단 제신도 검 잡아야네 검대 야구 연 거야 말에 샘들 말체망 보시 용되요
when, in general, when we meet with the Dharma, we do that through meeting and attending a guide, a teacher, a guru. And it's through them that we receive particular meditation instructions, pith instructions. And when we do that, in the beginning, it's important that we recognize that there's a lot of attachment that comes with our own personal lives, that comes with having a family and friends, and all the things that essentially define us as worldly beings. And so there's a lot of attachment that comes with being within that situation, in that circumstance. We call this, as it says in the second line, we could define this as kind of ordinary worldly busyness. This busyness takes up a lot of our time, doing this and that, working here and there. And so what it essentially does is a distraction to meditation. Outwardly, that would be the case. Inwardly as well, there is inward mental busyness that comes with worrying about this and that, associated with the cares and concerns of providing for one's family, etc. And so that's why it's said that we should be unmoved by the wind of ordinary busyness. And so that the suggestion is to move or go to an isolated hermitage, a place where there is no outer and inner busyness, a place that is devoid of the ordinary worldly objects of, we could say, desire or attachment that we normally feel responsibility over. And so the thing is, if we don't give these things up, if we don't try to lessen this attachment, then our meditation has no way of progressing. Since all these different kinds of ordinary busyness, and as it says in the text, the wind which stirs of all this worldly busyness, our meditation can't progress, and it will be an actual hindrance into our progression.
Teni da jidang je bai na chakpa di pang. Teni da su nyamlen je di nyamlen gozu yong de da jidang nga zu ngonro ki nyamlen mangbo yoro ba. Nga ra zu cha chen da wachi chasang gorim chasang ji nyamlen je ge yenani da cha chen korang ki tumong tan tume ki ngonro la so ba yung go da tenzu rimba shin do do ba. Do sini ni nyamlen je ni ngonro chaba tang ani shini ngweshi kita nyamlen de sula juk juk ba.
And so normally in this case, it's we need to do what we can to abandon, let go of our attachments, and begin practice. And that normally looks like performing the preliminary practices that the ngondro. Especially in this case would be the preliminary practices associated with Mahamudra, which still can be divided between the common and extraordinary preliminary practices. And so one does those, each of those practices, and then after one has finished those practices, one would then enter into the main practice of meditation.
Teni da jidang nga zu namgyu nyambar kom teni korang ngweshi kom de gyab yong du lune dang semne sini ta I sungre teni lune de ta chidang zalungi de ki nyamle mangbo yorba ene yang da namgyu nga ranzo yongda la teni da ndorje lune da lungro sale da wadang teni je ndorje namnang chöding ngo wala shuye da wadang tende yorba tenzo chasang de da lune se de cha de yore.
And when it comes to the main practice of meditation, there's 2 points, the points of the body and the points of the mind. The points of the body, or the way in which one is supposed to set up the body in the case of meditation it normally revolves around this idea of the channels and winds, and there's many practices associated with the more subtle body. But essentially we could say that in this case it would be to say set oneself up in the Vajra posture, to expel the stale breath, these kinds of practices. Specifically the 7-point posture of Vairochana would be ideal.
Hadini semne da semne di tanda kasu baba dedini leje zolwi gomgi male pasni tendechila goguyere sumbare.
Regarding the point, the vital point of the mind, we could refer back to the text which says, unspoiled by deliberate conceptual meditation. That's what we mean by the main point of the mind.
Di sundu kari sungu yoresena ngaranzu gomdi machu rangbapchik chaku gore mato gomdi lögi jesha watang teni lögi jik zolwagi suesha wata watang tende jungsong baina di teni 마주 랑밥 검데 차토고요 말에 차토고 메바레 송바레 다 르제 세비사말라 베나 나랑게다 네 심게란신 살와디 텐데지 인스네 남도게 파덴 다 딩에 아니 곰기에 삼바다버체 야나니 아니 수수게 셈게 다 텐데지라 똥바세게 세도 똥바다버지 뭐진지 제 아니 대대가 검기에 삼바다고다 된대게 지 강달 지 사와당 동바당 송주 가리 검기에네야 체도 로게 파지 쇠니 디 동바인 디 살바인 삼니드니 데 검대바이나 르지 졸을 검세데 차두고래.
And so what does it mean by unspoiled by deliberate conceptual meditation? So the meditation we're talking about here is this uncontrived naturalness, this Maju Rangbap in Tibetan, uncontrived naturalness, maybe we can translate it as. And so the opposite of that kind of meditation would be this deliberate conceptual meditation. And here it means that there's an amount of effort exerted by the mind to do something, right? Almost a kind of mind-made meditation. And if meditation is done with that kind of effortful exertion, then it's not this uncontrived naturalness. And so would that look like, to have this kind of more contrived, deliberate kind of meditation? For example, we've spoken about these 2 qualities of the mind. Say you're beginning meditation and you you remember, right, that we've talked about that the mind's nature is has this luminous quality to it. And through a conceptual understanding of it, you say, okay, I'm meditating on my mind as luminous. And so you hold this mind created idea of luminosity, and you say, oh, I'm meditating on that, right? That would be a kind of contrived meditation. The same for emptiness. I know that the nature of the mind is said to be empty, and with that understanding, you create this idea of my mind being empty, and you say, I'm meditating on this emptiness, right? Both of these are mentally created. They are produced through mental effort and would therefore be contrived and not this natural or this uncontrived naturalness.
Tani ta maju nyungme ki rangbapsu jokpachi gogore senenda leje zolbe kom di maimba di degin docho de karre senedini maju nyungme ki rangbapsu jokpati chage yore senenda tordina leje zolwa di tang dalsongwa ina ani rangshingi maju nyungme ki rangbapti 차용 거래
So in this case, we're talking about the meditation being uncontrived, innate. These words, we have this uncontrived, natural innateness. These one essentially rests, or the word in Tibetan is rangbap, which means to settle naturally within an innate uncontrivedness. And so the opposite of that is this mentally created, effortful kind of meditation, right? If one is free from this mind-made, effortful, as it says here, deliberate conceptual meditation, then one is naturally rests within an uncontrived, innate innateness. And so if one is free from this deliberate action, that's what it is. One then rests naturally and innately, and it's not effortful.
Tani da dendeki maju nyungme ki ngangla rangbapsu shodang tabutela ani namju ngazu damga denzu ke nangla da lele jeni dini susu ki namdo shayong ba ina yang dela sangeng ki redo kayang maje bache dini da namju damga nangla debekin je maje 마음 백인 균마수 다다기 셰바 소제 메바디 간라 드니 냠바샤과 스니다 드니 수용거바 다 남경한조 틱 차상게 나라 드니 딘데기 마주 랑밥 샤베 샤단다버들 드니 다 차진 조신이 틱드스 나라 드니 수용거 거래
And so we might ask, well, how is it that we rest naturally without contrivance in this innate mind? The pith instructions talk about this. And what we find in those instructions is that one relaxes. There's a relaxed sense. And no matter what kind of thoughts arise, whether they appear to be positive or negative, we let go of any kinds of hopes and fears or expectations about any of those thoughts that arise. And in the meditation manuals, we normally see that they instruct, give up all reminiscing of the past. Let go of any kind of worry or expectations about the future, as well as give up any kind of analytical speculation about the present moment. And when we're free of those kinds of mental states, when we let those go, we naturally come to rest in this innate naturalness, this innate, uncontrived naturalness. And so we see this prevalently, mostly within the Mahamudra and the Dzogchen meditation manuals to meditate in this kind of way.
Adela, Debi Chemichi Sena, Tadaki, Sosuke Namdo Sheraba, Namdo di Tako Kichi Laki and Gauraba, Tadaki, Namdo di Gauru di Samadini, Namdo, Karase. Namagi Jidamgu Yomares Nambo Namagi Jidamgu Yomares Delatini Debi Chemiches.
So out of these three kinds of mental states referring to the past, the future, and the present, when it says, I translated a little bit differently, but to not follow after the past. What we mean here is currently a thought has arisen, right? And those thoughts are, we could say they're passing each second, right? They're never stable, but they're always, they're impermanent essentially, right? And so for example, to not follow after a thought, which means after the thought has subsided, don't afterwards subsequently follow after another kind of thought. To not, because if it's past, then don't then add to it or follow after a thought coming after that already past thought.
Tini Maung Betun Misusena Da Giyuki Namdo Sherba, Namdo Kejik Jema Sherba, when they get in Dun Misuseni, they call it Namdo the Pan Dogyo Mares.
The next instruction is to not greet or welcome, for example, welcome a future thought, right? So when the past thought is gone, and a future thought is about to come, but in this case, we don't particularly welcome or kind of greet another thought. We let that go as well.
Tini Da Debi Namdo Gayan Che Matangwache Maung be Namdo Gayan Tini Dun Masubaina, Ta Karela de Gresena, Dadaviki Shepa, Tam Chila de Gare.
So, not following past thoughts, not kind of greeting or welcoming future thoughts. What is left? What is left is just the present thoughts that we have now.
That Dindeki Sheba de Antony, Dadavi Sheba se Koranti Antony, Patayong Dudini, Debayame, depala mando maung pala mate on tata be sheba di sheba nalma karasa gore sheba tabaji tawaji chadu gore ta de chadu du samala tini de di redu di maredu sine khando ya chomba tang mikpa meba chila leptu gore dela tini da tata be sheba soma soje meba sine sigare.
So what is left is this present thought, or we in this case is this the present mind, right? The mind of the present moment. When we look at this bare present mind, it's not the past thought, it's not the future thought, but it's a very kind of subtle, a very kind of natural, innate kind of mind that is present, and in general, and at this time that thought can be kind of
di sheba salzam rikzam sirwa dela namdo raba kange yang mako pachi.
This mind is essentially merely cognizant. It has this mere knowing quality to it. So it's very subtle in that case, right? It doesn't essentially have a very one-sided biased way of it's this or that, but it's very almost kind of fresh and raw kind of mind, and it's this freshness or this rawness that we mean when we say this uncontrivedness.
Tadi salzam rikzam di sheba di kangla tani do sunita shaku gre ni ku gres del tani di yin shebi ke chomba ta min shebi ke kakwa la so be ke bezo kaya mebe kala detu bai na gyung tu bai na tani tela ma je rangbap su chokwa has ni sigore.
So this mind is it has just this it's merely cognizant. It's merely knowing. And it's that present knowingness, clarity that one rests in. One doesn't kind of say it is something. One doesn't try to kind of label it as something, and one doesn't reject it as being something either, right? So it's free from this accepting or rejecting, and it's just this mere sustaining of that uncontrived naturalness, which is this mere knowing, mere cognizant mind, and so it's that we rest. It's that we settle into.
Tani simden nyamlun keshin kyongwar shok sungdu da dendegi tani simgi ngowo kyongbi kyonglu da lama dodan tenju lama da tamga tenju la tani tangbo susu chang tani changba zamche ma shakwa chene tani da susuki nyamlin che tani nyamlin che yongbe kapsula tani da dosine tani 갈긴 가래가래도 검잡에 값을라 대라 복된기 되니 탑람 가래가래도 된저양 되니 야보지니 시비 코니 되니 셈 소소기 셈모디 경고 그래 균디 경고 그래 했으니다디 경도 그래 쇼스니 말람 나샤 바래도 봐
The fourth line states, "May we skillfully sustain the essential practice of mind that knows how to rest naturally in the uncontrived innate state." So, when it comes to the tradition of sustaining the nature of mind, we learn about this through our own teachers' instructions, supported by the sutras and the commentaries, the shastras, present within the pith instructions, of course. We study these. We study what these practices are, what these instructions mean, and not just setting aside those instructions, but actually practicing them. And while we practice them, we take into consideration what is helpful, what's beneficial. One looks at the different methods of progressing, of how to energize, to bolster, to progress, all the different means that are available to us. We utilize these, and it's this tradition of meditation practice that we need to sustain, right? It's the sustaining of the nature of mind. And so in here we have as the fourth line, "May we skillfully sustain the essential practice of mind." So there's an aspiration that we're successful in doing this.
나서 다드링 dordeita tani gombeki tawe tenla phapege tani sim sadong sunjoti gombe kandes nyamsu lengo kore se ta dordu na tani lejeki zolweki malepa cheni ani machu nyume rangbap su chobe ko ni ani gyungyong ko kore se ni ta desung pare.
So in summary, we discussed that in order to meditate, we first have to establish the view, right? Having established the view, we need to practice this unity of the cognizant and empty nature of the mind. And how we do that is by practicing or sustaining that view. And how we do that is by, rather than having a deliberate conceptual kind of meditation, a meditation that is unspoiled by this mentally created, effortful meditation, one rests naturally, innately in the nature of mind, and it's through that sustaining of the nature of mind that we practice these instructions.
나치당 아주 균경당디 디경바마도 심바 매바 말해와 균경당디 탑시 심바당 유열에 이내다 단다디 조디디니 당 아주 배 차쟁기 룩라 사무 왕도 제바이나 아니 되메기 냠린 도스 제베코니 균경고고 레선 다디 ngaranso tardu ki gyungyongdang rabodi dera lepo rese de sungpare.
When it comes to the practice of sustaining the continuity of the view, there are several myriads of methods that we can do that. And that is to say, however, when it comes to the main practice, especially presented here in this context, is the main emphasis is on this very simple, unelaborated way in which we sustain the view. And this is the Mahamudra style, which is exceedingly profound, and is what we could say it's like the ultimate of the ultimate ways in which to go about sustaining the view.
Chancho semcho rimpo che ma ge ba nam ge gyure che ge ba nyam bara me ba yang gong ne gong du pel var sho